Have you made a doodle bird yet? I'm going to assume maybe no, but you're really missing out. They're not hard to do, but sometimes getting started is a little bit hard. So let me show you a little trick. I mean, you're just basically going to make a doodle of anything. I just mindlessly made that. But if you're not sure of how to start, one of the things you can do is, well, what if I don't think about me making it? What if I just move my paper and see what happens? If you don't like round swirly, then do some zigzaggy on there. Perfectly fine. Then you're just going to give a beak, you're going to give an eye, you're going to give it some legs, and I guarantee it's going to be a cutie doodle bird. This week, I am going to be taking you through the process of making doodle birds and customizing them to get some nice personality. So follow along. Each day, it's going to be a new video.